Hello and welcome to the online Financial Aid Office presentation. During this presentation, we will be going over the key financial aid points that we have pulled from our Financial Aid Handbook. At the end of our short presentation, you will be able to do the following: 1. Identity available aids at the college. 2. Be able to access and fill out FAFSA online. 3. Understand how the Financial Aid Office determines your progress as a student through the Satisfactory Academic Progress or SAP. And lastly, identify the documents you need to provide to the Financial Aid Office. So, what are the types of aid assistance available here at the College of Micronesia FSM? There are 4 main types and they are as follows: Pell Grant, SEG Work Study, Supplemental Educational Grant and National and State Government Scholarships. Moving on, we come to the FAFSA, Free Application for Federal Student Aid. As it says, this is a free application for student aid and this can be accessed at the FAFSA.gov. For fall 2020, you can access the FAFSA application by October 1, 2020. The FSAID.ed.gov on your right is only for students and parents who have a permanent U.S. Social Security number. This site allows you and your parents to sign off on your FAFSA signature page electronically. Now we are going to go over the SAP, Satisfactory Academic Progress. 1. SAINT is maintaining the financial aid academic requirements. These are the credit completion rate of 67% or higher, minimum cumulative GPA of 2.0, max time frame of 150% to completion, Pell lifetime eligibility used of 600%. 2. ND is enroll in courses that count towards your degree, and 3. ROAD is to communicate with your advisor to confirm your track to graduate on time.
What do you need to complete your financial aid package? The following are the required documents to FAO: copy of your passport or birth certificate, 2018 wage and tax statement. For non-working parents, the 2018 untaxed income statement available at FAO. For Social Security beneficiaries, provide the Social Security verification documents. And last, the College of Micronesia FSM application for financial aid assistance or COM-FSM. All these required forms are available on the college website. Naturally, there will be deadlines for all financial aid documents that you will need to provide. The deadline for this fall 2020 is November 20, 2020. Keep this deadline in mind for this semester, as you will need to make sure you submit your documents on time. The other semesters have their own deadlines, and remember that if you do not submit your documents by the deadline, the Financial Aid Office will not process your Pell Award. We are almost at the end of our presentation. We just want to share with you a few strategies for success. FAFSA October 1st. Track financial aid and scholarship deadlines. Follow up on your application, it is your responsibility. Higher education is an investment for your future. Don't be afraid to ask questions. It's part of learning. We are finally here at the end. Should you have any questions, visit your respective financial aid office or call us at National Campus 3202481, Koshrai Campus 3703191, CTEC 3203795, Tuke Campus 3302689 and YAP Campus 3502296. Thank you very much and all the best in your studies.